Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, there is nothing worse than your favorite song buffering right when the beat drops, especially when you are in the middle of a workout or even a long commute. That's why downloading songs for offline listening is a total game changer. Once a song is downloaded to your device, it plays instantly, doesn't use data and won't get interrupted by spotty signal. Whether you have Amazon Music, Unlimited or Prime, you can save songs directly to your phone or even tablet. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to download individual songs so they are always ready when you are. So we're gonna go and get started by using our app. Go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and open the Amazon Music app and find the song you want to download. You can search for it, find it in a playlist, or even browse the Native page. You have multiple options to do. You can even download the whole album if you want. Okay, view album, view artist, search the song, whatever. So when you find your song, look next to the song title. You will see three little dots, the more options menu, or sometimes a download icon that looks like a cloud with a downward arrow. Just go ahead and tap it. From the menu, the GP select download. The song will immediately start saving to your device. Then you can watch for the download indicator. A small arrow or progress circle will appear next to the song. When it's done, you will usually see a check mark or a solid download icon, meaning the song is saved offline and you can play it. And that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.